Okay, so it's about a half an hour after we fed or finished feeding everybody, and everybody's getting a little sun in the sala fresca. This is one group. I think there's like 20, there may be 30 in here. Look at how happy they are. And they do this climbing up the cage and role play where they pretend to feed each other and stuff. But these guys have all nice full bellies. Okay, here's the next one. These guys are covered up with this thing you dry your shoes on in my dryer. Oh, everybody got quiet. No. Yeah, not so many in here because it's a smaller container. So they're enjoying themselves in the sunshine. And here's the 7 overachievers. These guys can eat out of a saucer. Let me see, what's the best way to film this? Aren't they cute? They've all got full stomachs. Look at the one standing in the food. That's a big help. Okay, come on, out of there. Hello. Hi. Aren't they cute? So, again, here's these guys and these guys. And over there is the table with all my Spanish stuff on it. And just because I bet you're curious, here's Lucy, wishing she could come and say hello. And Henry, wondering who the heck I'm talking to. So they're trapped right now in the courtyard because we don't want them staring at these guys and slobbering or anything. That's all.